Hello dear students, welcome to Organic Chemistry Classroom. Today we are going to discuss about a reaction called Mitsunobu reaction. This is a reaction of primary and secondary alcohols to various products like esters, phenyl ethers, thioethers, etc. by reacting these alcohols with a acidic nucleophile in presence of reagent like a dead and triphenyl phosphine. So this is a reaction of primary and secondary alcohols to variety of products like esters, phenyl ethers, thioethers, etc. Okay, in presence of an acidic nucleophile by using reagents like DET and ligand triphenyl phosphine, that is PPH3. Here the full form of DET is diethyl azo dicarboxylate. Let us see one example. R dash and this is OH. So this alcohol, when treated with the nucleophile, here we use benzoic acid, C double bond O OH. So this is the nucleophile. So when you use benzoic acid, you get ester as the product. So we have the reagents DET and triphenyl phosphine PPH3. We get product as ester. Like this. The main attraction of this reaction is the inversion of stereogenic center. Okay, this chiral center get inverted to a new configuration during this reaction. This reaction occurs via SN2 mechanism. So this is the main attraction of Mitsunobu reaction. You can synthesize a chiral center with a new configuration or an inverted configuration. Let us see the mechanism of this reaction. In the first step, mechanism, in this first step, this triphenyl phosphine react with the DET. DET is N double bond N CO2 ET, ethyl group, and here also CO2 ET. So this is diethyl azo dicarboxylate molecule. So this PPH3 attack here and this bond shift to nitrogen. Then we have PPH3 positive charge, then nitrogen single bond N minus CO2 ET, then we have a CO2 ET here also. Okay, then this anion is stabilized by this CO molecule of ester functionality, and this anion abstract a proton from the benzoic acid molecule. So PHCOH minus PHCOO minus. So we get PPH3 plus N single bond NH and CO2 ET. Then here we have CO2 ET. Okay, and this ion then react with our alcohol, that is R dash, this alcohol. Okay, let me write this alcohol here once again. So that is alcohol, and this alcohol attacks here. Okay, then you get R dash O positive charge. We have hydrogen here. Then it is connected to PPH3, then we have NH, CO2 ET and CO2 ET. Okay, I'm sorry, CO2 ET. Then this bond shift to this phosphorus oxygen bond, because this phosphorus and oxygen have great affinity. So we get R R dash O double bond P. So this bond shift to nitrogen. Okay. So PPH3, here we have positive charge and here we have N. So here we have N minus charge and this N minus abstract this hydrogen and become NH. So we have NH, NH, CO2 ET and CO2 ET. This is one of the byproduct of Mitsunobu reaction and it is diethyl 1,2-hydrazine dicarboxylate. This is diethyl 1,2-hydrazine dicarboxylate. This is one of the byproduct of this reaction and this is the key ion of this reaction and this is called generally known as alkoxyphosphonium ion. Alkoxyphosphonium ion. So this alkoxyphosphonium ion is then attacked by the nucleophile, that is PHCOO minus. So let me write here PHCOO minus attack at the alkoxyphosphonium ion O plus double bond PPH3. Okay, so this attack here and this molecule get eliminated and we get an inverted product R dash O double bond O PH plus the second byproduct of this reaction, that is PPH3 double bond O. This is called a phosphine oxide. Okay. So this is about Mitsunobu reaction. So Mitsunobu reaction is a reaction of primary and secondary alcohols to variety of products like esters, ethers, thioethers, etc. by reacting it with the various nucleophiles in presence of DED and PPH3, and the special attraction of this reaction is the inversion of stereogenic center. Thank you.